Well, good morning. It's early. She starts school again after the holiday break. And it's very foggy outside. We can't see anything. That's why I'm wearing my glasses, so I can see better. It's ridiculously foggy. If you look real closely, well, no, you can't. I was gonna say you could see the Mississippi River, but it's so foggy, you can't see anything. It's almost like a scene out of a horror movie. This pier just goes off into nothingness. We used to be able to walk along that pier a long time ago, and they closed it off, I guess because the wood was starting to rot, and they were afraid people would fall into the Mississippi River. Not a good thing to fall into that river. The current is very strong. If you were to fall in, the chances of you surviving that are very, very slim. Well, that might be a good reason why the pier is closed. I don't think that is too repairable. They would probably have to tear that down and build a new one. Which I wish they would, because it'd be nice to walk down that pier to the end and look out over the Mississippi River. One day, Kenner, one day. Walking down these steps, they're a little slippery. So I'm trying to take my time so I don't slip down and break my neck. So the fog is lifted, and now I'm taking my son to the park. And it's going to be fun, because it's going to be at a park. And we're going to the park, so it'll be fun. He'll have fun, I'll have fun, we'll all have fun. Are you gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, see? Told you.
No! I tried! No! No!
You alright?
No!
Are you alright?
Yeah. This is the biggest slide in the world. This is the world record.
Extreme slides. So we hear this rooster, this old sounding rooster, That's just cock-a-doodle doing somewhere over here. Let's see if we can hear it on here. Hold on. All right, listen closely. Did you hear that? There's a lot of birds out here. Look at all the turtles.
Look at all those chickens.
Holy mackerel, look at all those turtles.
I like turtles.
Let's see if we can see under the water here. Oh, no, it's a little too murky. Let's see if we can see under the water here. Nope. Can't see nothing. Hey, little guys. he's just walking. It's too shallow for him to swim, so he's just walking. That's pretty funny.